Hello everyone, it's Alice from Yellow Class. Welcome to this week's singing assembly. We usually have songs during our assemblies in school, but as we're not in school, we can still do this from home. There will be opportunities for you to join in with the actions, sing along, and even dance along to the music. But most of all, have fun. Parents, carers and teachers, you can join in too. Are you ready? Let's begin.
It's good to see you here. Some of you are at home listening, some of you are in school joining in. We're going to be singing along to some transport songs which link to our topic this term. First of all, I have got my transport bag. So we are going to join in with the What's in the Bag song and see what I find in the bag. Are you ready? What's in the bag? What's in the bag? Alice, put your hand in. Alice, put your hand in. What's in the bag? What? I have got a bus. I know a song about a bus. Do you? Yes, you do. So I know the song The Wheels on the Bus, but I want to make it a little bit different today. So we're going to sing The Wheels on the Bus, but Alice is going to sing some different verses for you to join in with. Are you ready? The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round all day long. The car on the road goes beep, beep, beep. The car on the road goes beep, 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 beep. The car on the road goes beep, 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 all day long. The boat in the sea goes up and down. You could jump up and down, or you can stretch your arms up and down. The boat on the sea goes up and down, up and down, up and down. The boat in the sea goes up and down all day long. Next is the aeroplane. The aeroplane in the sky goes left and right. You're going to move left and right. The aeroplane in the sky goes left and right, left and right, left and right. The aeroplane in the sky goes left and right all day long. Good, joining in. I saw you moving left to right. I saw some of you jumping up and down. That's really good joining in with the song. Okay, next, let's see what I've got in my bag for us to join into. Are you ready? What's in the bag? What's in the bag? Alice, put your hand in. Alice, put your hand in. What's in the bag? Oh, I got a boat. I know a song about a boat. Do you? You do. It's row, row, row your boat. You could join in at home with your parent, carer, or your siblings. And at school, you could join in with your teachers or your friends in school.
Row, row, row your boat. Shall we go on a boat? What will we see? Oh, it's a crocodile!
One of these, very good. And then we're going to get one of these, which is a polar bear. So you cross your arms like this, and he lives somewhere very cold, so he's going to make us shiver.
And then a scary, hairy lion. Everybody grab their oars.
Ready?
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Rock, rock, rock your boat roughly down the stream. And if you row, row your boat gently down the river. And if you see a polar bear, don't forget to shiver. Row, row, row your boat slowly to the shore. And if you see a lion there, don't forget to roar.
Excellent.
That was really good.
Well done, everybody, for joining in with the song. You were rowing backwards and forwards. You were signing the animals you saw. That's really good. Next, we are going to do something a little bit different. If we were in school, we would be able to use our pictures to make a choice, or our communication boards to make a choice, and our pictures to exchange with an adult to make a request. But as we're at home, some of us, and on the screen, it's quite tricky, but I'm going to do my best to see if you can make a choice. So, Leon, can you make a choice of what you would like next? I'm going to put a picture on the screen, and I'd like you to point to the picture and tell your mummy what song you would like next.
Leon, you pointed to the baby car song.
I will put the baby car song on for you. And everybody at home and in school, you can join in and dance along. Here we go. Good song choice. I saw some people at home and in school dancing along to the music. Well done. Really good to see. Okay, next, I'm going to let somebody in school have a choice now. I'm going to put a communication board on the screen, and I'm going to ask somebody in Tracy's class to make a choice using their communication board of what song you would like next. Here we go.
Sam pointed to I want 10 little planes. You would like 10 little planes, Sam.
One little, two little, three little airplanes, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little airplanes, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little airplanes, 10 little airplanes flying high. 10 little, 9 little, 8 little airplanes, 7 little, 6 little, 5 little airplanes, 4 little, 3 little, 2 little airplanes, 1 little airplane flying high. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little airplanes, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little airplanes, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little airplanes, 10 little airplanes flying high. 10 little, 9 little, 8 little airplanes, 7 7 little 6 little 5 little aeroplanes, 4 little 3 little 2 little aeroplanes, 1 little aeroplane flying high.
Well done, everybody. I saw you joining in, moving to the music, and some of you were signing aeroplane and using your fingers to count down from 10 and up to 10. So, our assembly is nearly at the end. But if you would like to tell me you want more songs, can you give me a wave? Everybody's waving at me. You want one more song? Okay, I think we will have our action song that we can all join in together and we can learn the actions, and maybe next week you could have a go and see if you can remember them. Next week it will be with a different teacher leading the singing assembly, and you could do that song with them. Okay, here we go. It's our bus song. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round all day long. The cars on the road go beep, beep, beep. The cars on the road go beep, 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 beep. The cars on the road go beep, beep, beep all day long. The boats in the sea go up and down. The boats in the sea go up and down, up and down, up and down. The boats in the sea go up and down all day long. One more. The aeroplane in the sky goes left and right. The aeroplane in the sky goes left and right, left and right, left and right. The aeroplane in the sky goes left and right all day long. Well done! I saw you joining in again. Everybody, you need to give yourself a big clap. Well done for today. It was really good to see you at school joining in and at home joining in. We'll see you next time. Bye.